This is Gigi Soul Sister here today talking about, this is my prototype Booshi Neeko Barbie doll, and I really need to fix her up. So I decided to get another doll that's the same doll as this one. So because of the hairspray, this right here, all this in her hair, that's acrylics, and it made her hair stiff. So I'm gonna do this one, and I'm gonna put that spray that I put in her hair last week. Although these are the better colors because her hair is really more of a lighter pink. So I'm gonna take this one out and I'm gonna work on her. So let's take her out. Oh, I'm always getting this doll from eBay, by the way. This would be like my fourth, fifth doll, or maybe sixth doll. She's a fashionista doll, by the way. Okay, here she is. I've brought her so many times. And she's like the only doll that I've seen that's got purple hair. I already have her just like this. I didn't bother her, so I got one just like this, and I got 3 more that I'm working on, and then the other one that I'm talking about. The other one that I'm talking about, this one right here, she's a prototype. And the thing about prototypes is you can mess them up any way you can. It's not like you want to, but if you make a mistake, then you keep on working on the prototype until you fix the problems. So her hair was unworkable here, and so it's like I completely messed up the doll. But like I said, I got the new one here that I'm going to work with, and she'll be looking a lot better. I'll spray her hair, and her hair will look just like this, just a little bit more manageable. Since I put the acrylics in this girl's hair, I have messed with the hottest hot comb that I've had. Unfortunately, that tore out her hair, and then I braided it. At first she had these big long braids, and then I had to make them shorter to match the character. So anyway, I'll be working on her, and so far I got 3 of them done. So I just need to mess with her hair now. So this one, I might sell her like she is, even though she doesn't have wings or horns or anything like that. But yeah, she just needs wings, horns, and a tail, and she'll be done. Okay, well, so that's about all I need to talk about right now. In the process of continuing on with my little Booshi Neeko dragon goddess Barbies. So here you go. Gigi Soul Sister, out.